Hello guys and welcome to part 4 of how to create Minecraft 2D using GameMaker. In this episode we'll be improving the random terrain generation and we will improve the infinite world thing because dig when we dig down we are coming at a point where the room stops and then will have no stone anymore. See, like this. And we can't break any blocks. We can't dig any further. And besides that, I said that this looks pretty bad, so we're improving that immediately by copying this and saying ADL plus 64 and here plus 64. And with these two layers, we will make him choose if it wants to create stone or dirt yes. So let's say tree, and if u is 1, do that, and else copy this, paste it here, copy the dirt, paste the dirt here, whoa, paste the dirt here like that, and then within these two layers it will choose whether there gets stone or dirt. It's that easy. And then for the infinite downstairs world, well, when we dig down, we see here that the stone is created when the y position is smaller than the stone level, and the stone level is our room height, so that's not pretty deep, right? So let's change that to this, and I have chosen this value because in Minecraft there are 127 naturally generated layers, and when we this is in the extreme hill biome, and when we this is from the bedrock layer to the highest naturally generated um, layer in extreme hills. So multiply this by 32 and you'll see this 4064. And remember, we are in a 2D game, so we can see layers below our current bedrock layer. So we say um, plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32, and then we get like this, and that's our four layers, and that is 128. So plus 128, and then we get that value. So that's pretty easy, right? And also this means that we are now creating a plain biome, and the plain biome is now very high. It's like which layer is that? Divided by 32. That's layer 5.5. That's not even possible. That's pretty weird. So let's say that 62 is somewhere in the middle of the plain biome height layer of layers. So let's multiply that by 32 and we get 1984. Oh wait, remember, volgens mij. I think that 62 is the layer of water. So let's say this, and then we get minus 32 and minus 32 and minus 32, so we get like 4 random layers. Okay. And next we will add bedrock. Whoa, that's weird. So let's add Bedrock, load sprite, Bedrock, and stretch it to be 32, and put it in here, create an object, Bedrock, make it parented to our block object, put it in here, and then for the stone we get it's still creating on the left side of the screen. So for the creation event of stone, we get bedrock, and later on we get like iron and gold and all that stuff. So let's say bedrock floor random 20. I just choose a random value here, and if y is 3936, then if r is 0, then instance change object bedrock false, and then copy this 1 2 3 4 5 times and say plus 32, and that plus 32 and plus 32 and plus 32, and then say here smaller than, and let's get rid of that here, because this is the layer when there is 100% chance of bedrock, and here there will be like something like this and this and this, so 3 out of 4, 1 out of 2, and something like 1 out of 4 or something like that. Just use some random values there. And have we parented it yet? Yes. And also when I hit the left mouse button here, we will instance destroy. Later on we will be creating the durability for blocks and all that stuff. I forgot one thing. Oh, I forgot the stone. Come on. Yeah. Left mouse. Instance destroy. And then we fall like down really bad because we are creating Steve in very high above the ground. So this is one glitch we were covering up too. What's that doing here? Go away. And what that is, well, we got like a giant cliff here, and we see that it chooses one down, 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 and then it gets like really low. So let's fix that. Yeah, let's fix that. Oh wait, first we'll create Steve something a bit higher, lower actually. So let's improve this a bit, huh? Let's get rid of the 2 because we are creating a plane biome, and say if AH is smaller or equal as hang on a second, we got these values here. So if y is equal or is smaller than let's get the calculator back. So 824 minus 32 is 1760. And we got 1920 plus 32 plus 32 is, let's say, plus 32. 2016. So got this back in here and in here, and then say something like that, and definitely multiply this by with -1, and multiply this by 1, and now we should get like a less amount of cliffs and all that stuff. So we see that here it gets up, up, and our cliff is like 3 blocks high. Well, you see that in the real Minecraft as well, so that's not that bad. And if you want more hills in it, um, you can just change the values and all that stuff. So I don't like this that much amount of dirt. So I will just say this. Run it again. And now it's just a bit easier. Not a bit easier, it looks a bit better. Yeah, just better. So we see the random dirt and random stone here. And if we dig deep down, we'll come against the bedrock. And I forgot one thing to do, and that is this. See? So we got like random bedrock. We everything's random now, right? Every single world that I recreate is different, and that's pretty random to me. So next tutorial, I don't know what I'll be doing next tutorial, but it's going to be awesome. So see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Right? Bye bye.